Good morning mga karaklan. Um, um, ito yung mga requirements uh, paano mag-join sa fire service. First qualification, open siya sa lahat ng babae at lalaki na ang mga edad is less than 21 years old but not more than 30 years old. Yung second requirements is must be at least 1.57 cm height para sa mga lalaki at 1.52 meters sa mga babae. Pero ngayon kasi may bagong batas na dyan, pwede na yung 5 flat, 5'2". Wala nang height requirements. Then ang next must weigh not more than or less than 5 kg from the standard weight corresponding to his hair, age or sex. Alright? Pero tsaka dapat graduate ka ng any 4-year course. Or dapat pumasa ka sa civil service examination second level eligibility, or passer ka ng Republic Act 1080, or honor student ka under PD 907. Yan. So ang R1880 is dapat pumasa ka sa mga board exam sa any 4-year course. So yan yung saklaw ng Republic Act 1080. Then non-board naman, yung 4 years mo, pwede ka doon sa civil service second level eligibility. So dapat ipasa mo yun. Or yun nga, cum laude ka, valedictorian ka, ganun. So graduate ka, mga ganun sa in a 4-year course. The next requirements is a person of good moral character. Yan. Moral character. Then next is you must pass the neuropsychiatric examination. It is a medical examination and drug testing for the purpose of determining his her physical and mental capability. Next, second from the last na requirements is yung must not have been dishonorably discharged or dismissed for cause from previous employment. Okay? Then the last requirement is must not have been convicted by final judgment of an offense or crime involving moral turpitude. So yan yung mga qualification, mga karaklan sa kung gusto niyo mag-join sa fire service. Alright? Good morning. Thank you.